in Libis, Quezon City, in front of Bridgetown by Robinson's Land Corporation, to give you a quick tour of what this business park has to offer. If you're thinking of coming here to apply for work maybe, or hold an event. It's the 27th of February 2022, and time check, it's 4:12 in the afternoon. Let's go inside. The nice thing about this place is that it's pretty quiet, and I think primarily because it is first and foremost a place of business or employment. So people don't normally come here to shop or do those other retail stuff, because there's none. There's no facility like that here. This place is not built for retail shopping, in other words. It serves more as a recruitment hub for BPO or business process outsourcing companies like Concentrics. Here's one example. Looking in from the outside. So that's a dead end. I need to go back. And there's a mini stop convenience store as I cross. On an average day, this is what it's like inside here. This was the recruitment hub. We were peeking inside. We were peeking into. The company's name is Cognizant. The name is hidden in the left black pillar, and our processing applications. If you're interested to get a job in the BPO industry. So I'm just following the hall, and to my right, this is now the recruitment hub of Concentrics. Being a Sunday, there's no one inside. The place is closed. But during the weekday, it can be pretty packed with people and very active and busy. So again, not today being a Sunday. And this is Nexa Tower right here. When you enter the building, these are some of the guidelines you need to follow. Sorry, I'm not very familiar what Nexa Tower is, but at least that's something for your information. And here, over here is the WNS Career Hub, also a recruitment center, I would assume. Recording the wind noise. And here are some other food establishments that are existing right now at this place. Then there's also a BDO. There's a BDO branch here, plus ATM facilities. So far, we've only seen 2 food establishments. And across the street, this is now the Cosmopolitan Blue Leaf Cosmopolitan, if I'm correct, which is being marketed as one of the event spaces here or event destinations. It's a huge place inside. A COVID vaccination event for MaxiCare, which also has a primary care facility on the second floor. Parking seems to be okay as well. There's enough parking space, but not too big. KFC in front. It's another fast food option available here. So we are now seeing more of your fast food options, also Subway right there near the escalator leading to MaxiCare on the left. Where I came from today, that's why I'm here at Ridgetown. Then there's Starbucks to the right. So yay for Starbucks patrons, coffee lovers. And there is Velaris Residences. Most likely their admin office across the street, beside the Blue Leaf property to the left. And here we have one more ATM facility, care of BPI. And just up ahead, turning right, is the parking area. If you have a motorbike, you need to park on the third floor. So I'm going down again to see more of the street. If you ask me, it's nice taking a stroll here. If that's what you're after, then maybe when you get hungry, at one point you can try one of the few fast food establishments here, if you're into fast food. So this is Nexa Tower, and these are the current occupants or companies that take up space there. Here's a closer view of the Blue Leaf across the street. And then to my right, you can see the queue of Grab food delivery personnel waiting for their customers, or perhaps just taking a rest before heading off to their next direction or to their next destination. Again, if you're planning to work here or are considering an employment opportunity in this space, this is what you'll find, this is what you'll expect. And also in terms of your commuting options, if you can see the stretch of road along the intersection would be Ortigas Avenue. Right now, the only and best way to get here is by jeepney. The ones turning from the corner on the left, traveling all the way to Cubao, Araneta City. immediately notice is that jeepneys are hard to come by. I'm not sure if it's because it's a Sunday or it's because that has become part of the new normal in this area. Of the people standing by the roadside came from inside Bridgetown, from work perhaps. But then again, this area, as you can see, can also be reached by bicycle. So here's the one of the buses that will take you to Cubao, Araneta City as well, if you can catch it, which is good. So currently, this is one of the two means of transportation you can avail of to reach this place. So that's going to the side of Eastwood City, which is the other well-known landmark here.
When the jeepney reaches Araneta City, Cubao, it will turn right at the back of Ali Mall along General Romulo Avenue, then in front of Mercury Drugstore at the corner of Aurora Boulevard. It will pick up new passengers and travel back to Robinson's Bridgetown, passing by Eastwood City first. Ask the driver to be sure.
I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel for more informative walking tour videos like this. Until the next one, thanks for watching. Take care. Stay safe always and have a rosy day ahead. Bye!